we have been using levels of cytokines and chemokines as markers, but those are a little bit outdated, I will say. I think we're starting to go a little bit more towards more cellular markers and understand a little bit more of the cellular environment in the periphery. But it is true that at the level of the CSF level, certain soluble markers, still cytokines and chemokines, are still very relevant because they give us a lot of information about what is happening inside of the brain. But my lab, for example, has shown alternative biomarkers, like, for example, the soluble CD163 that we presented today, that are actually specific markers of how monocytes and macrophages and not microglia of the brain are behaving. And I think we need those type of biomarkers that give us a little bit more of a cellular specific information rather than general information, because then we will get a little bit better understanding of what each cell group is actually doing during the disease.